guys, thanks for joining me for Adventure Storytime. Today we are going to be having a garden adventure. We are going to be learning about a few things that plants really need to grow, and we are going to be reading a book, singing a song, and doing a special rhyme. But at the end, we are going to be taking a peek at the Waco Branch Library's very own garden. So excited! Let's get started with our adventure. So plants love to grow, but these little 5 flowers had a special adventure growing. Are you guys ready to hear it? Here we go. 5 little flowers growing in a row. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little flowers. The first one said, "We need rain to grow." The second one said, "Yes, we need water." The third one said, "Phew, it's getting hotter." The fourth one said, "Look, there are clouds in the sky." I see the cloud in the sky. The fifth one said, "I wonder why." Then, boom went the thunder, and zap went the lightning. The springtime storm was kind of frightening. Are you guys scared? I'm a little scared. But were the flowers scared? No. They knew they needed rain to grow, and grow. What brave little flowers. Look at them grow. They did such a good job, and they're so brave. What an awesome adventure they go through, huh? So the name of our book is The Anywhere Farm by Phyllis Root, illustrated by G. Brian Karras. For an anywhere farm, here's all that you need: soil and sunshine, some water, and a seed. Fat seed or skinny seed, pointy or round, tenderly tucked it down into the ground. Then you watch and you wait, you water, you weed, your seed will sprout out at its own seedy speed. And you'll have an anywhere farm, where you can plant your anywhere farm. An old empty lot makes a good growing plot, but a pan or a bucket, a pot or a shoe, a bin or a tin, or a window will do. Plant a farm in a crate, plant a farm in a cup, in a box on a balcony 10 stories up. Plant a farm in a truck, in a box on a bike. Plant an anywhere farm anywhere that you like. It's a very pretty bike. Anywhere that you have some soil, some seed, some sunshine and water, that's all you need for your anywhere farm. What can you plant on your anywhere farm? Kale in a pail, corn in a horn. Beets and zucchini, oregano, beans, Jamaica, broccoli, radishes, and greens. Tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and peas. On your anywhere farm, plant whatever you please. Who might come to visit your anywhere farm? You might see a monarch, a ladybug, bees, hummingbirds, cardinals, and fat chickadees. Your neighbors might come when they see what you've grown. They might want an anywhere farm of their very own. Look at all those greens they grew. You might give them some seeds that they plant in a can, a carton, a wash tub, and an old frying pan. In a boat or a boot or right in their yard. Anybody can do it. You've showed it's not hard. With your farm in a basket and mine in a chair, with soil and sunshine and water and care, one day all our anywhere farms anywhere might turn into, what do you guys think they'll turn into? An anywhere farm everywhere. Whoa, those are so pretty. Where does it all start? What do you need? What do you need? Just one farmer, you, and one little seed. That's such a good book. And anyone can become a farmer, and anyone can have a farm. All right, so growing plants is a pretty big job, but I think I have a special rhyme that'll help us while we're growing them. Are you guys ready to sing along? Okay, here we go. Get your shovels ready, and we're gonna start to dig. All right, the gardener digs the soil, the gardener digs the soil. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the gardener digs the soil. Now, grab your plant seeds. Are you guys ready? Put them in the dirt, cover it up. The gardener plants the seed, the gardener plants the seed. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the gardener plants the seed. What do plants need to grow? Do you guys remember from our other story? The plants need rain. The rain falls to the ground. The rain falls to the ground. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the rain falls to the ground. All right, what else do plants need to grow? They need, it gets really hot when it comes out. They need sun. The sun shines bright and warm. The sun shines bright and warm. Hey-ho the dairy-o, the sun shines bright and warm. All right, I think this is the fun part. Are you guys ready? Get your fingers on the bottom here. Here we go. The plants begin to grow. The plants begin to grow. Hey-ho the dairy-o, the plants begin to grow. There's flowers all around. There's flowers all around. Hey-ho the dairy-o, there's flowers all around. Fresh vegetables to eat. Fresh vegetables to eat. Hey-ho the dairy-o, fresh vegetables to eat. Wow, you guys are expert gardeners. Look at all the plants you grow, and you guys know how to do it. That's so cool. Good job following along with the rhyme. Hi friends, I am outside of the Rago branch, and right behind me is our garden. You can see some of our friends are growing back there. I'm gonna do a close-up and name off some of the vegetables that we're growing. So each of our little vegetable beds have this protective house just to protect them from our animal friends. But we have some pretty cool vegetables growing in here. And just like in our story time, they're getting plenty of water and plenty of sun. Staff here at the Rago branch are making sure to tend to them. So some of the vegetables that we're growing are cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, and green beans. And that is just a few. Isn't that so cool? You can always feel free to stop by and take a peek at our garden here at the Rago branch. Just a quick reminder, if you would like to participate during story time when we have an egg shaker or scarf, you can pick up your very own kit at all 3 library locations, Maine, Rago, and South Elgin. Also, at Rago and South Elgin, we have these cool preschool to-go kits. Every week is different. You can just ask for them at the window at Reiko or curbside at South Elgin. I'll see you guys next week, Thursday at 11 a.m. Bye!